Introduction to Samatha Meditation. Samatha meditation, also known as tranquility or calming meditation, focuses on calming the mind and developing concentration by focusing on a single object, such as the breath. Let's start the session. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight but relaxed. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or on the floor. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Allow yourself to settle into the present moment. Set a gentle intention for this meditation, such as, I will focus on my breath to cultivate calm and clarity. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath without judgment. To help maintain focus, you can count each breath. Inhale, mentally count 1, exhale. Inhale, mentally count 2, exhale. Continue up to 10 and then start again from 1. Let's practice this for 3 minutes. Continue to bring your attention to your breath. See if you can deepen your focus on the breath. Notice even subtler sensations, such as the temperature of the breath or the pause between inhaling and exhaling. Each time your mind drifts, gently bring it back to the breath with kindness. Let's practice this for another 3 minutes. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice any sounds or sensations around you. Take a moment to reflect on the experience. This simple 10-minute Samatha meditation practice can be a wonderful way to cultivate inner peace and concentration. Regular practice can help enhance your overall well-being and mindfulness. Thank you and have a great day. Do not forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe Mild Relaxation for more guided meditation videos.